How to set Adaptive Luma Control on SKYWORTH TV.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. On your remote, in your SKYWORTH TV, press the gear icon on remote. Go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. All settings. Here in settings, go to display and sounds. In display and sounds, go to picture. In picture, scroll down and go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, you can see here the Adaptive Luma Control. And the Adaptive Luma Control is set into medium. So if you want to set this, click this. So for my example, I set the Adaptive Luma Control into low. But you can set the Adaptive Luma Control into off, low, medium, and strong. So I decide to set into low.
If this helpful, like, subscribe, and see you for my next video.